Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and book a flight on American Airlines. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply first of all access the American Airlines official website. Right over here, once you have done so, you can choose to log in as well, or you can simply choose to continue as a guest. If you would like to use your points or miles, you will have to log in. Once you have done so, come to the bottom and choose what kind of flight you would like, a round trip, one way, and if you would like to redeem miles, as I mentioned before. If you're a guest, simply choose not to check on it. And now enter the location. You can choose to type in and simply to where you're going. Tap on this drop down icon and add in the number of passengers. Tap on this particular calendar icon and choose the date for you. And if you're going a round trip, you will be able to find another section where you will have to enter the details. And now tap on the search. Once you have done so, you will be able to find various search options for the flights available. All you have to do is choose one. You can choose basic economy, main, premium economy, business, premier, etc. Go ahead, choose the particular one for you and tap on this accept restrictions or whatever you would like. You can also choose to upgrade in between. Once you have redirected to another tab, you will be able to see a trip summary on top. You can scroll down and you can also choose to move if you like, upgrade to main menu if you liked. Once you're done, simply go ahead, as I mentioned, you continue as a guest if you are someone new. And here in this section, you will have to check out your details again, passenger details. You'll have to fill in all of the details accordingly. You have to add the trip contact and promo codes if you have any. And then afterwards, you will be able to continue for the pay there in the payment section. Your ticket information, aka the online ticket of yours. You can go to airport, show it to them, and you're good to go. That is it for you to book. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.